That guy. Get me that guy.
Tim, we got one. Nice smallmouth. Put him back. Got one. What'd you get? Tiger musky. Oh, pike.
Let me have my rig back, buddy. He's clamped down.
Tell me when you get him out of there.
Got you.
Oh, smallmouth or large? Largemouth this time. Yeah, it's not that big. Just a fighter. That one's probably gonna be, look at that belly on him.
What's that?
So that one's probably on a bed, look at that belly.
Oh, yeah.
Put him in. Well, it's not a bass. There's a rock bass.
Rock bass.
Put him back. That's a bass this time. I eat that thing. Excuse my worm, buddy. Put him back. Here's all the way up on that log. Put him back. $5-pounder right there. Biggest one of the day. Put him back. Looks like he's been caught about 10 times. Put him back. What'd you get? That's not a bass. Gonna need the net for him, I think.
Get the net.
Where are you going?
That's where he's going.
Ah.
There you go.
Going again. There he goes.
Where's that net guy at? That's the new net guy. Oh, no, you can take your eye.
Good luck getting your hook off of him.
Put the net in the water.
Here, I'll grab him. Is it out on the
Yeah, it's out. It's right there. Measure him. Yeah, put him right there. Measure that thing.
You gonna end up in the boat. It's slimy as heck. There, you push his tail.
26 inches.
Put him in.
Yeah, you got slide.
It wasn't even my fish.